Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on Hey Google. Simply you just open your Google. Make sure to log in your Gmail account. Press on to profile. Showing you to settings. Press on to Google Assistant. Showing you to voice match. Now it's off. At first need to set up. Okay. Scroll down. Select I agree. Say okay Google, help me write a thank you note. And the second step, now say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, overall done. Press on this. Now it's turned on. Go back. Go to your main settings page. Select Gemini. Select use Gemini. And select talk to Gemini hand free. Just make sure to select to enable. Okay, overall done. Just say make sure to connect your internet. Hey Google, and you can enjoy this. That's it.